Good morning, guys. It's April 21st, and we woke up this morning and this is what we're seeing. This is unbelievable. April 21st. We haven't had snow probably in a month and a half, maybe almost 2 months. And look at this, April 21st. This is absolutely crazy. Anyways, I see all over the place, everybody seems to be getting different weather, and I guess we're no different here in Canada. Anyways, I just wanted to do a little short video this morning showing what we woke up to, and hope everyone has a good day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
In your heart away is hoping love will never die, but life unfolds in the strangest ways, and sometimes you just can't keep love alive. But I've